Hello, hi, it's Peony, and I'm here introducing you to the Zen Animal Oracle deck by Pamela Matthews. The deck is published by Blue Angel Publishing. I'm all about the cards, the cats, and the crystals. And Kassie, you say hello? Beautiful. You're going to stay there, aren't you? Okay, so I'm going to do a simple kind of turning of the cards so you can see the images. All right. The book is very, let's have a look. It's very smooth in the hand. It's not particularly thick, but very easy to use. And at the minute, I like to have something that's quite quick that you can flick through to get some extra meaning if you're doing a reading. Okay, so once you pick the image up, so for instance, the first card is the bee. All right, so say it's been published in. There we go. It says copyright 2021, Zen of Animals. So so as you flick through the book, the paper is quite nice actually, and let's go to, it's got a couple of layouts, and there's the black and white image of the card that's on the front, and it has a something little kind of nice energy. I haven't really kind of gazed on it so much, but as I'm looking at it at the minute, I think sometimes when you see imagery in black and white, it gives you a little more simplicity. You don't get kind of taken in by all the colours, so you can really focus on the expression here. Okay, so there we go. So it's got the card meanings, and so if I look at the bee, because that should be the first one, there it is. Okay, bee and then butterfly. So you see, it's just a small paragraph, so you can really focus in on specific words that are being highlighted with regards to the meaning. Okay, so what's it saying here? Sweetness, perseverance, preservative. So yeah, so it's a very, very simple book. All right, but I like I like to use the cards and link with the cards myself and get what I get. And then I use the book as a reference if I get inspired to go a little bit deeper. So let's just do a card turnover, I think. I say they're vibrant colours, beautiful, beautiful cards, and I say they're in alphabetical order. So let me just move that over there. And so the bee, that's the first one. Butterfly, camel. What I found is the imagery, the animals are taking me to different countries. So I was in Egypt around this time, and 16 years ago, and I was on a camel on the 8th of November, which would have been yesterday. So black cat, beautiful. Crane, crocodile. Oh, I've got another cat here now. It's Frankie. Frankie? Hi. Good girl. Just having a little wash. Dog. Happy chap. Beautiful. Dolphin. All about communication, play, fun, childlike sense of wonder. Dove. Dragon. Duck. I have seen a mandarin duck. and taken some photographs, and they are absolutely incredible, especially when they're reflected on the water. Beautiful, beautiful, very special. Elephants. Nice little connection there. Fox. Richness in that orange brown colour. Frog. A beautiful lily, pond lily. Goat. Goats remind me of Crete. Been to Crete a couple of times. Absolutely love it there. And here's the card depicted on the front of the box. Goldfish. And I think if you were to have a deck, you'd be able to relate throughout your life to a time where you've had an experience with a horse, maybe, or like I've taken photographs of mandarin ducks. There'd be something that takes you to an experience. You may have travelled worldwide, and you may have been to the rainforest or to lands where you can see monkeys in their natural habitat, wildlife conservation. And here we have an owl, links with the goddess Sophia. For me, I got a thing about, I really like to watch birds of prey. And yeah, so that's quite significant to me. Ox, cow, sacred, indigenous tribes. A happy panda. And peacock. Phoenix. And I didn't notice before, but look, there's a peony flower in the bottom right hand corner. That is a peony. Lovely. Phoenix rising from the ashes. Transformation. Mystical. Pig. New one for me. Quillin. Rabbit. Takes me to Easter time. Springtime. Rat. Rooster. I often link roosters with Chinese astrology, as I do with the ox, actually, the cow ox image that was before. I actually am in Chinese astrology terms, a metal ox. Salamander, fire element. Scarab beetle, Egyptian. Back protection. Taking me back to Wales. I have lived in Wales some of my lifetime. And walking a dog. I just love to be in nature. I don't have a dog. I say I've got my 3 cats, but one day I tend to have to kind of borrow someone else's. dog want to go dog walking, well, go with them. I don't take the dog, but it's just nice. I do like to be connected up with animals. Snake, vibrant emerald green. You see what I mean about how vibrant this deck is? It's beautiful. Feels really, really nice. Squirrel. Squirrels, you tend to hear them before you see them. Again, if I go to a particular park, I'll often see squirrels. I don't actually have any in my garden. But there are some in nearby park. And I do love to go and see the stags, actually, and take photographs. So it's quite special to me. I'm pleased that there's one in the deck representing stags. Beautiful tiger. The red colour of empowerment. Beautiful, powerful animal. And tortoise. And that's actually the last card. Shows a rainbow, lush green outside, some flowers, and connection. You know, where we connect with love to animals. It's quite wonderful. Honouring them here in this deck. Okay, so this is the Zen of Animals Oracle deck by Pamela Matthews, and been released this year by Blue Angel Publishing. And yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed a little run through. I haven't gone into depth with the cards. I say it's the first time I've done a look at all the cards, and I haven't yet used them. So watch this space, and yeah, so enjoy, and yeah, give me a subscribe if you want to follow what I'm up to on my YouTube channel. At the moment, I seem to be wanting to share and enlighten you about some card decks that I've got that I'm starting to use, and I probably will run through some that I use all the time, and then I shall add something else to the channel and get creative. And I am all about the cards, the cats and the crystals, so maybe I'll do something on crystals. And words are important as well, you know, inspirational words. So for now, this is an introduction to this wonderful deck, the Zen of Animals. All right, so I'm going to leave it there, and thank you for listening and watching, and until next time, bye for now. Lots of love, Peony.